Welcome at the Photonics Plus event and welcome at MORPHOTONICS. My name is Jan Matthijs Termeulen.
And I'm Erhan Ercan. Welcome.
And in the next talk, we would like to tell more about our company, MORPHOTONICS. Within MORPHOTONICS, we sell Nanoimprint equipment. And with this equipment, you can add nano or micron structures onto large substrates. And if we mean large, it's really large, it's beyond 1 square meter. And in order to do this, we use a roll-to-plate imprint technology. And with this technology, we can add lenses or prism lines, which can enhance the optical performance of products. And these lenses and prisms can be small or polarizers of only 50 nanometer, but it can also be large, up to 500 microns. Our focus is on production. With our large area imprinting technology, we want to enhance mass volume production for smartphone, tablets, or sensors. And we do this by adding multiple products on a flexible stamp, imprinting multiple products in each pass, and by a high reuse of the flexible stamp. We do this together with the customer. So we have our own resin development, we have tiling methods, where we work together with the customer to make sure that the process and the product is as required. How does roll-to-plate nano imprinting work? Well, as the name says, by use of a roller, the texture is imprinted on a substrate, on a plate. MORPHOTONICS is not a mastering company. We cannot make the master, so we ask our customers to provide the master. And once you have a master, and we have the master, then we make a flex stamp from the master. And this flex stamp is an inverse copy. And we make sure that this flex stamp has anti-stick properties. So the flex stamp will not adhere to the cured resin. The resin is printed on the substrate. The flex stamp is pressed by use of the roller into the resin. The resin is cured by UV light, and the flex stamp can immediately be delaminated from the imprinted substrate. The product is finished, and the flexible stamp can be reused. And the nice thing about our technology is that it can be reused over 500 times. Another advantage is that this technology is scalable. The roller can be enlarged, the flex stamp can be enlarged, and hereby we replicate on Gen 5 size, which is beyond, or which is at 1.1 by 1.3 meter, and we even can imprint up to 1.6 meter. And in the lower left side, we added a QR code at which you can see this process. Having such large area imprint capability enables customers to replicate nano or micron structures at large surfaces, for instance, a solar panel or a large display. But it can also be used to increase the throughput. So typically, masters are expensive, masters are also small, and with our tiling technology, we can make sure that multiple masters are placed as sides at the flexible stamp. So we add multiple wafers on the flex stamp, and then in each imprint cycle, you do not replicate one master area, but as shown here in this case, 15 areas, which increases the throughput significantly. Look at the replication quality. This is good. We can replicate small nanostructures very nicely, or as shown here, slanted gratings, which are well replicated, and they are replicated uniform over the large Gen 5 area. Layer thickness have been demonstrated to be at 5% for a 1 micron thick residual layer thickness, but we can go replicate even thinner residual layer thicknesses. We have demonstrated layer thicknesses of 100 nanometer. We have different flex stamps designs. We also have flex stamp designs with a very high dimensional stability, which is close to the numbers or the TCA numbers of glass. As mentioned, we have developed a tiling method. The characteristics are a stitch width of around 20 micron, a stitch height of below 5 micron, and a coplanarity of 2 micron, the height differences of the different tiles. And hereby we can ensure a throughput of above 5 million smartphone-sized displays on Gen 3 size.
So what do you do with all that technology? That's where this slide comes in. As you can see here, we can address many different applications using our roll-to-plate nil technology across a wide range of applications. Although our main focus has been more recently around displays such as enabling anti-glare, anti-reflective capability on cover glass, or making optics such as waveguides for augmented reality glasses, or MLA structures for 3D light field displays, we also can address a number of non-display applications with a variety of customers to enhance light management capability for biosensors, LiDAR diffusers, or solar panels. So overall, we welcome the opportunity to work with a number of customers. So if you have any ideas about how to apply your structures on a large area using our machines, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be happy to discuss. We have achieved many milestones along the way to get to where we are today. The company has started in 2014 in Eindhoven area, which is a world-renowned photonics region. And since the initial start of the company, we have been developing a variety of different equipment. In 2017, we have done our first OEM customer launch, which is a product that we call the Aurora 600 that is running 24/7 at the customer site for substrates, Gen 3 size substrates, which are greater than 0.3 meters square. In the summer of 2020, however, we have also released and installed what we consider to be the world's largest area, Gen 5 size, 1 meter square, roll-to-plate nanoimprint equipment. And this technology, this equipment has been installed with customers, a variety of customers around the globe, and currently running production. We also at the same time have been doing sampling and equipment supply with a number of key consumer electronic brand names. So we don't do all of this alone with Matthijs and I. We have a great team behind us, a small yet strong team of 25 folks from around the globe. And we are also proud members of the Fabulous Consortium and the EPIC Consortium, the European Photonics Industry Consortium. So we welcome any of you that are interested in talking to us. Please feel free to reach out to us through our website or from the info@morphotonics.com address, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you for your time and attention, and look forward to seeing you in the next events. Thank you.